Hello friends, in this video we will see how we can earn money like this from Google AdSense. So you can see I have earned about $16 yesterday from Google AdSense, and today I have earned about $3.39. But day is not over yet, and on this website allnethelp.com I have earned $2.15. Audience on this website is only 1% today, so I have earned this $2 from only one person. And you can see stats of my website here. So you can see I have only one visitor on my website today, but the day is not over yet, and I think I will earn more. So I am earning this from Quora website. You may have heard about Quora website, and I have written article with help of Chatgpt. You can see I don't have audience on July 10, then 11, and up to July 19. I don't have audience on my website, and then I published some. I have already published some articles, and then I uh, promoted, or I put my links on Quora website for free, and then you can see audience start getting higher, and now I am earning money like this with help of Quora website for free. So you can also earn money like this. You can see. So let's get started. So for this you need a website with Google AdSense. You can create a website in different categories according to earning. So I have listed some of the categories which pay good amount of money. You can check. If you want to create website, you can create website in these categories. So first one is insurance, second one is banking, third is real estate, photography, lawyer, credit cards, and SEO or search engine optimization. So here is Quora website, and I will tell you how you can earn money with this website. So come to your website. So first thing you need is audience from United States, because you can see I got only one visitor today from United States, and I'm mostly getting uh, visitors from United States with the help of Quora website. So you have to write articles from these categories. So let's write some article. So I will try this insurance company because it will pay uh, high CPC like $20 in one click. So you can see I have got $2 from one click, and my category is banking and some mixed categories. So then you can come to ChatGPT, open chat.openai.com. And if you don't know how you can create website, I have created tutorial on how to create website. You can check that tutorial in my video description, or you can comment below, and I will tell you that video URL. You can also check my channel for that video. So sign into ChatGPT, and then we are gonna write article on this category. So let's try insurance. So we will write top 5 insurance companies in United States. So now ChatGPT is writing article for us. So here we have top 5 insurance companies in the United States. So you have to target United States country to get a maximum earning from your blogs or websites. Then you need to copy this. Then search article rewriter free. Then open any article writer like this one. So these are maximum are free, and then you have to paste that article in that website, and then your article will be rewritten. And so now we can click on rewrite article, and this website will rewrite article for us, and then we can paste this article on our website. So if you want to get visitors to your website on from Google search and other sources, then you have to write articles yourself. So if you are planning to get users from Quora or any other source, then you can use ChatGPT. But if you write article yourself, then it will be better for you. So now paste this in Notepad, and you can also use mobile to do this. So now we will write this article in our website. So we can go to post, click on add new. So we will use Google to search for, paste article here, then search top 5, and for image you can use Google also, and you can use other website like free pick. USA insurance. Okay, you can use this website also, or you can search in Google, and then you can use images from here. Best insurance. So I think this one is looking good, so we will use this one. And then we will name, so we will copy this text or keyword, and then we will paste this keyword as this photo name. So I think click on plus and click on image. Now we can upload this image. So now you can select pictured image as this image. We can write 2023. This is permalink. We can type this URL. Now we will use Google to write other keywords that people are searching. Click on all, and then you can scroll down, and from here you can copy these top 10 insurance companies in United States. So paste this. So here we have our description for search. So when people will search these top 10 insurance companies in United States, our article will appear. Click. So now we will publish this. So you can check these to increase chance of. So we will turn this into bold, so that, so now we can post this, publish this post. So now we will check how we can promote our this link on Quora website. So here is link to our website. So now we will use this Quora website. So now you can search insurance USA, press enter, and then this type of options will be shown. You have to click on questions. Okay, so here are questions that people have asked about insurance in USA. So you can open this question: how much is the vacation health insurance USA? Or you can check if some other question match your article. You can also use Google, like you can search USA insurance, and then you can write Quora and then search, and from here you can pick questions that are appearing on Google. So that means if you write answer here, there is chance that your answer will be ranking higher in search results and will get you higher visitors to your website, and then you can earn more money. So you have to open questions from here. What is best travel insurance for the USA? So our article is also related to this top 5 insurance companies in USA. So we can write answer here. So you have to write something. You can copy some of this. What you have to write some of article yourself. Top 5 insurance companies in USA, and then you can paste photo here, and then you have to copy this URL or website address, and then you have to paste it here. Read more on website, paste website URL here. So here we have our website. So you have to write some article here. So top 5 in USA are on 5th number. We have this company name State Farm 5, and then we can write read more on website. So then you have to post this answer. So as time passes, and if people like this article, then your answer can reach first number, and then you will get higher views. And so you can see this article is ranking on Google also already, and there is chance if your answer rank, then you can get more views on your website, and then you can earn money from your website like this. So I hope you have learned something new, and tell me in comments if you have any question, and thanks for watching. If you have any question, you can comment below, and also do some good comment